Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out this beautiful product here. This is from CIATE London and it's the Wonder Wand Lipstick. Demi Shine Lipstick that I have in the shade Ruby. And I actually redeemed BoxyCharm charms, like the points that you get from if someone signs up through your referral link, or I think you can earn charms maybe by reviewing products, which I never actually do in BoxyCharm because I'm not a fan of their website. But I had a few points, so I redeemed for this. This has a retail value of $28 and it comes in a lot of different shades. It's cruelty free and it says, "This intensely saturated color melts into lips for a smooth satin finish," which just sounds like such an amazing experience that I'm so excited to feel on my lips. It also says, "Achieve effortlessly high coverage satin soft lips in one swipe with CIATE London's Wonder Wand Demi Shine Lipstick." Well, I am very excited to try this. I love the brand CIATE London. I've tried out a lot of products from CIATE London through both Ipsy and BoxyCharm. Ooh, and the packaging on this is beautiful. Oh, I wasn't even sure what kind of applicator this was gonna have, but so cute. A twist up, kind of skinny lipstick. Let's start out with a swatch. Ooh, pigmented. And definitely seems to have like a creamy feel to it. Kind of like a classic lipstick is how it seems. But let's go ahead and see how it looks on my lips, which are definitely dry. Wow, they say one swipe for that intense color, and that is true. I definitely need a lip liner with this because especially with a red color, you can see any unevenness in the edges of the lipstick very obviously, and with this shaped applicator it's really hard to get perfect, crisp, smooth edges. And I'm getting it on my teeth. But definitely a beautiful pigmented color, such a gorgeous true red shade. I wasn't sure if it was going to be this true red or darker, but I really like it. I feel like I could just benefit from one more swipe. It definitely is pigmented from one swipe, but I feel like I just need a little bit more. Wow, it's really beautiful. And I was worried that it was going to look textured, cling to the dry patches on my lips, not feel comfortable, but I was wrong. It kind of feels like a mix between a lip balm and a lipstick because my lips look and feel completely moisturized now. And it's smooth, even color, which is really good to see. Like, this is a really nice formula. I love they call it Demi Shine to it. Like, it is such a beautiful finish. Almost like I have a lip gloss on top, but not quite as glossy, but very flattering on the lips. Since it is so like creamy and has that shine, I feel like there's gonna be a lot of transfer though. Let's go ahead and see. Yeah, that is a lot of transfer. Full kiss mark here. What a pretty kiss mark though. And you know what? It's actually so pigmented that it is still almost completely intact on my lips. The color faded slightly, but that's pretty impressive. Oh, this really is such a beautiful lipstick, such a perfect red lipstick from the color to the formula, the comfort of it. My only downside, and the reason that I don't necessarily love this and won't be wearing it all the time, is because of all that transfer. It's just, in my opinion, such a hassle to have to worry about it getting onto everything, even it continuing to get onto my teeth. So it's like a messy lipstick, even though it's so beautiful. And I think personal preference is I just prefer a no transfer, long wearing lipstick over something like this, as beautiful as it is. I am still so glad that I tried this out and I have it in my collection for those times when I want that perfect red lip that is gonna have that nice shine, but maybe not right before eating and drinking. But so definitely let me know in the comments down below if you have tried out the CIATE London Wonder Wand lipstick and what your thoughts are on it. But I would also love to hear in the comments down below, what's your favorite red lipstick? Is it a classic lipstick, like this type of formula? Maybe it's a liquid lip that's super long lasting. I would just love to get some red lipstick recommendations. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.